We always hear, oh, we are going to have unprecedented summer. We are going to have all these players. We shall spend so much money in the summer. Why do you wait till the summer? Arsenal had the chance to do every single thing to secure the Premier League this very season. All right. Where should we start from? As we know, the Kroenkes, Mikel Arteta, and the board of the Arsenal. Where should we start from? This is Tommy Bear TV. Now we want to talk about Arsenal today because we know they are really, really in a very, very big trouble. As it comes to the weekend, as you guys know, it's going to be massive, massive at King Power Stadium. That is where Leicester City is going to welcome Arsenal. And it's not a very, very intriguing welcome, I would say, because as you guys know, Arsenal does not have a striker. Kai Havertz, the Arsenal number one striker who has been leading Arsenal for a very, very long time, is off the pitch. He injured his hamstring from Dubai and it's all done and dusted. He is off for the whole season. What's next for the Arsenal? Who should we blame? Why should we even talk about this? Arsenal had the chance to do every single thing to secure the Premier League this very season, knowing for sure that Manchester City is off the radar. But now Liverpool had a draw, which is going to be very, very important for Arsenal to capitalize on the points that Liverpool has lost on Sunday. I mean, on Wednesday. What are we going to do? Nothing else that we can do, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to talk about this and look at some of the Premier League games that are going to happen this very weekend. Welcome, 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 guys. This is Mr. Laughter. Enough of that, guys. I know it's going to be very, 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 very frustrating if Arsenal happen to lose at King Power Stadium. As you guys know, King Power is also a very, very difficult place to go at. We know Leicester City is struggling, but we shall get back to that. Now, the report has just come very, very clearly that Kai Havertz is going to miss the entire season. Arsenal put on their website that Kai Havertz is going to undergo a surgery, and that surgery will keep him off at least for the rest of the season. He is going to undergo the surgery. After the surgery, he will for sure go for rehab, and after the rehab, every single people are going to help Kai Havertz to be back to his full fitness, which is up to July. That is what they say. Kai Havertz is done. He is now going to play. Now, what's next for Arsenal, guys? I want to dwell on Arsenal today because it's really, really difficult to see that Arsenal are almost collapsing. Mikel Arteta, the Kroenke, Josh Kroenke, they had the opportunity. They had all the chance in the world to at least go out there in January and find somebody important that can be very, very crucial in the Arsenal season. What did they do? Nothing. They didn't buy even a single player. Every single season, if Arsenal is supposed to win something, we always feel short of just one player every day, one player. Now we have nobody completely in the striking line. Our, actually, our entire forward is just only three players right now. Three players, guys. Three players for Arsenal in our front. Sterling, who has never played anything completely, that has never actually impressed me in any way. And I don't know if he's going to step up on Saturday. We have Ethan Winier, which is he is good. He's a baller. He's a good player. Don't get me wrong, but he's just only 17. How can we rely on a 17-year-old for the whole entire season, Champions League and Premier League? Now we have Trossard. Trossard has been crying that he wants to play. Only three forwards. Is that really a big club? Is Arsenal still behaving like a big club, guys? Let me know in the comment. What do you think? Why is Arsenal performing so I mean, in the transfer window, why are they not doing what they're supposed to do? We always hear, oh, we are going to have unprecedented summer. We are going to have all these players. We shall spend so much money in the summer. Why do you wait till the summer to plan everything? And yet you know for sure that Arsenal has needed and has wanted the Premier League striker, a prolific striker that would give them a trophy. I don't know, man. I'm just running out of words, guys. But let me know in the comment, why is Arsenal not did not actually get a striker? We are going to hear from Mikel Arteta today in this press conference and see what he will tell us, guys, because it's becoming very, very difficult to support Arsenal and even be a fan of Arsenal because they're not they're not caring. It's like the club doesn't care about the funds at all. We know for sure from the beginning, Arsenal needed a striker. By all means, who does not see that Arsenal does not need a striker? Even a 1 year old, even a 7 month old would know that Arsenal need a striker, guys. But anyway, that is my cry. I don't know. I don't know who to blame. I blame Ateta for not really getting at least one person. I blame the Kroenkes for not pushing Ateta to get the right person, even just one person for the winter. Now we have nobody. Now the Arsenal is trying to go on to look at free transfer, the likes of, oh man, Ben Yedder or maybe Diego Costa, those ones, they're not going to happen. Arsenal is not going to invest in that because I know for sure with the mentality that Mikel Arteta has, he's going to say, I will look from within, I will find somebody, and for sure they will perform as much as possible. I know Arsenal is really, really good at performing and they can create goals. We shall create goals from anywhere. Wait, in the press conference, that's what he is going to say, guys. That is what he's going to say. So let's see what happens if Arsenal can still come back and do wonders from the devastating news. No Martinelli, no Saka, no Kai Havertz. Oh my! So Gabriel, just nonsense, guys. Anyway, it's fine. Let's see what will happen today. Now let's look at the Leicester Arsenal game. So in my Leicester Arsenal game, it's gonna be very very early. That is 12 12 p.m. in the afternoon. That is in the afternoon in the UK time, and it's gonna be 7:30 in the US. It's going to be like 3:30 in Uganda. So as you guys know, it's going to be very massive. I don't know if Arsenal is going to win, but I know with Leicester not being playing well and Leicester not the best team in the Premier League, they're fighting relegation, right? But I don't think they can beat Arsenal, even if we don't have strikers. I trust the source Trossard will still really play well and get us the goals. Wanyeri might get us the goals, or even uh, uh, short pieces, like corners or maybe free kick, wherever they might use that at least to get some points. So I'm giving Arsenal a 2-1 win against Leicester City. That is going to be on Saturday. So yeah, let's see what will happen and see what Mikel Arteta will do. I'm tempting to just go with a formation of 4-3-3 still. As we know, it's not going to be easy because we don't have Saka and Martinelli, but I'm going to put Trossard in the middle, and then I will put uh, that is from the front. I will put Trossard in the striking line. I will put Sterling on the other side, and also put that is Waneri on the right hand side. That is my forward. The rest just remains the same as always. You guys know, Raya and everybody in the back remains there. I'm not changing anything except just the front three. That is all my prediction for the lineup as well, guys. Let's see what will happen, guys. That is all with the Arsenal preview. Also, we know Leicester have been really playing poorly, but also Jamie Vardy always scores against Arsenal, and also we know Ruud van Nistelrooy is there. He might want to tarnish and spoil the game for the Arsenal team, but let's see what will happen. I'm for sure that it's not going to be easy at King Power Stadium, but Arsenal will go on and really, really focus and win the match in by all means. That is just my preview for the match, guys, and I don't know what to do with all this injury news and stuff. But let me know in the comment what your prediction is about for the match and everything, little thing that you know. But also in the Premier League this time, we're going to have lots and lots of matches. Let's see some of the games that will really transpire in the Premier League, because as you know, it's not just Arsenal playing, and there will be some other team playing. Liverpool is going to play Sunday, as you guys know. But some of the teams that are here now, Liverpool will play. Uh, that is, let me look here closely. We have some of the games that is gonna happen right here. Let's see. So we have matches that will happen very others on Saturday and on Sunday. So tomorrow, that is Brighton will take on Chelsea. That is Friday at 3 p.m. That is USA time. And then we have Arsenal playing Leicester City very early at 7 a.m. 7:30 a.m. Then we have West Ham playing Brentford. We have Southampton playing Bournemouth. We have Aston Villa playing Ipswich. Manchester City playing Newcastle. That is Saturday at 10 a.m. And also Fulham playing Nottingham Forest. This is a big game. Crystal Palace playing Everton. Liverpool on Sunday will play, that is Wolves. And Tottenham will play Manchester United. That is all on Sunday. Those are the Premier League matches that will happen that is on the weekend. So let me know your prediction on the matches as well. And I will see you all again in the next video, guys. It's going to be massive in the Premier League. And Arsenal, as you guys know, are chasing Liverpool, who is having at least 7 points ahead. And if Arsenal can win, because Liverpool is playing the next day, it would be really good to move the points to at least 4, which is massive. So that is what Arsenal needs to do. They don't have to worry about who is not here, who is not there. They have to step it up and play their game and make sure that they play to the best of their ability, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be part of Tommy Bear TV every single moment. One love, guys. See you. All right. I appreciate you guys for being there every single moment. It's not easy, but we shall bring you sports every single day. Yeah, on Tommy Bear TV. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. One love.